Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about polarization mode dispersion. Already we have seen two types of dispersions, intermodal and intramodal dispersion, and polarization mode dispersion is another type where this polarization mode dispersion we call it as PMD, and it is mainly due to birefringence. Effect of birefringence. Birefringence in the sense the refractive index of the optical fiber varies due to its geometrical imperfections. If the refractive index of the optical fiber is varying due to its geometrical imperfections like bending, pinching, etc. Right? So due to these imperfections, if the refractive index change, then the phenomenon we call it as birefringence. Then this effect will lead to the change in the polarization mode. What is this polarization mode is? The spectral components that are traveling in the optical fiber occupies two orthogonal modes, two orthogonal polarizations. The mode that is being traveling in the optical fiber, for every spectral component it occupies two orthogonal polarizations, that is the electric field will be occupying it, and this birefringence will slow down the polarization of one of this orthogonal part. Okay, due to this let us see how this polarization is there. Okay, here you can see this is the orthogonal polarizations, and here due to this birefringence effect the orientation of this electric field will be delayed by certain amount of time called tau PMD, and because of that what happens is one of the polarization will be moving forward and the other will be moving slowly. So this dislocation or this time delay in the propagation of these polarization modes lead to a pulse spread called polarization mode dispersion. Okay, as the wave travels along the fiber the amount of time delay will be increased, and at the end part we will not be able to distinguish these two pulses, and this time delay is given by L by Vgx minus L by Vgy, where L equal to length of the fiber, Vgx and Vgy are the orientations of the pulse in both directions. So the two orientations what we have discussed in the polarization, those are Vgx and Vgy. V is the electric field. Okay, so the total time delay is given by L by Vgx minus L by Vgy, and in terms of dispersion factor this can be written as d PMD into root over L. The dPMD is the dispersion factor for polarization mode dispersion. Typically, the value of dPMD is equal to 0.05 to 0.1 picoseconds per root over kilometer. L is your distance. This is the typical values of D we can choose for. It is a constant actually, dispersion constant. We have already derived this dispersion constant equation in your group delay. Actually, chromatic dispersion, what we have discussed in material dispersion, is a constant phenomenon, whereas polarization mode dispersion is a random phenomenon. Polarization dispersion is a random one. Why? Because why it is random is it mainly depends on birefringence effect, and as we travel along the length of the fiber, what type of imperfections are encountered by the light ray that is being traveling cannot be known, and it will be varying along the length. So at certain part the refractive index will be certain variation, at after traveling a certain length it will be, the difference will be totally changing. So we cannot have a static type of analysis, only we can have a random analysis of what amount of time delay that can be expressed in a polarization mode dispersion. Right, this is all about polarization mode dispersion. One thing we have to concentrate here is it is mainly due to birefringence. Birefringence, what is birefringence? It is the refractive index variation due to the imperfections, and the orthogonal orientation of the electric fields are moving slower. This is the fast mode and this is slow mode. That means it is traveling with certain time delay. Right? Thank you. Not only the imperfections, this birefringence is also a factor that is dependent on temperature even. As the temperature of the optical fiber, that is where we are operating it varies, that also changes the refractive index and hence leads to the difference in the transmit time of two orientations and thus lead to the dispersion. Thank you.